But yeah, it was a really neat, and again, my recommendation and other things I could add to the room. And I thought this was really neat to be able to do this, and picking paint colors for this house was a lot of fun. There's a lot of color in my house, according to my mom. But this was nice to figure out like what's the complementary rug colors to go with the wall coloring in our furniture. So I thought this was really neat. I did not expect to be able to use it this way. Like I said, I went into this asking it like what size rug I needed to buy because,
Mhm.
like I said, it was kind of a confusing room sizes, and it turned into much more, and I really liked it.
So we're gonna have to do a Dutter's Cribs in the near
Hmm.
future once this all gets settled in, right?
Yep. It's so funny because like my bedroom's around that painting, and then my office is around the colors of traditional Boba Fett. So
Because you do have a Boba Fett standee, I
correct.
believe, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
I think a lady presides in your living room at the
Yes.
at the
Currently, it's in my
moment.
living room. Probably move the office.
Hmm.
So yeah, he'll hang out there now.
So that's one interesting way to use ChatGPT, and I'm talking about I've been using more and more, Gemini and ChatGPT, depending on like the kind of the task and how recent I get it. And this is not my awesome thing of the week, but I'll kind of relate to because I need to behavior modify myself, if that makes sense.
Hmm.
Like we talk about this all the time, and Katie, was just like, okay, I've positioned this so I will use this tool more regularly in my life. And in this case, I rearranged my home screens on different versions of your, whatever you have going on, and now I have at the bottom. Make sure there's nothing embarrassing on there. I have in the bottom here, there's buttons to go straight to ChatGPT and Gemini, and then so I'm pretty much ready to go.